What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Behind me is my 2023 BMW M3 Competition X Drive and my 2006 M5 with the V10 engine. In the last video, you guys saw us replace the engine on the M5, and I'm happy to report that we have zero issues. It is running and driving perfect, and we actually got some exhaust tips welded on since the last time you guys saw the car. We did our own custom muffler delete with some tips, and I was able to get everything welded on myself for super cheap, and now we have a full complete E60 M5. But today's video is not about the E60, it is about the G80, and we are going to be installing a ton of carbon fiber mods on the G80. We've done basically the entire front end, but now it is time to do the rest of the car. Let me go ahead and show you all of the things we're going to be installing on the G80 in today's video. So inside the shop here, we have two big boxes straight from China with a ton of carbon fiber parts. Let's go ahead and get these unboxed and show you guys what's inside. Before I show you guys all the new carbon fiber parts, let's go ahead and talk about what's already done to the car and what options this car came with from factory. So the original person who ordered this car only optioned the interior carbon fiber package and the carbon package on the roof, none of the exterior. So the owner before me actually did all of this carbon on the front end, the CS style grills, the intake vents, and the front lip. So we now need to complete the rest of the carbon fiber on the car. Starting with these mirror caps, as you guys can see, these are gloss black. So we're gonna be replacing those with carbon fiber ones. We also have a bigger rear spoiler that we're gonna be throwing on, and the entire rear diffuser and these side spats will now be carbon fiber. The other thing we're going to be adding is the side skirt extensions. So these actually will stay on the car and be gloss black, and we'll be adding a layer of carbon underneath. I'm not sure if I love it or not, but if we don't like it, we can go ahead and get the side skirt paint matched and have the carbon skirt underneath. Last but not least is we are going to be replacing this stock dusty engine cover with a carbon fiber one. All right, let's go ahead and go through this pile one by one. So down here we have our side skirt extensions. Like I said, these are gonna go underneath the factory gloss black side skirts. And then we move on to the replacement items. So this full rear diffuser and side spats is gonna replace the stock one. We also have a bigger trunk spoiler. We have the carbon fiber mirror caps, we have the front bumper canards, and we have the engine cover. And now once we get all of this stuff installed, the G80 is going to have all of the carbon fiber done. Everything front to back will be carbon. I'm so excited about this. Let's go ahead and get started installing these parts. All right, guys, we got the G80 pulled in. We're gonna start with the easiest thing first, which is this engine cover right here. So basically all we have to do is take off this one strut brace right there to get the engine cover off, get to the back side of the emblem right here so we can pop the clips out, clip it into this new one, and we'll get this installed. This should be a super easy install, but it should look super awesome in the engine bay. I'm very excited about this mod. All right, now that we got that done, we are going to move on to the mirror caps, which I have right here. And at the same time, we're going to be installing some sequential turn signals. So these replace the factory turn signal that goes inside of the actual mirror cap itself. and these are actually sequential instead of just the regular blinking turn signals. So these actually look a lot better. So let's go ahead and get these built up together, and then we'll get them installed on the car. So the easiest way to get this back mirror cover and this turn signal out is actually to pop out the glass from the front side. So we're just gonna take a plastic trim tool, pop that out, and then we can get to the individual clips on the inside and release this off the back. All right, I forgot to film the rest of the install of the mirror cap, but we got this one on. It looks great compared to the stock gloss black one. Let me go ahead and show you guys the difference in the turn signals. If I hit the unlock button right here and then lock it, you guys can see that this one is sequential and this one just flashes. Let me throw on the hazard lights and then you guys can really tell the difference between this one sequential and this one that just flashes. So let's go ahead and get this other mirror cap installed. All right, we got both mirror caps on. These things are looking good. The fitment is actually really good on these, and they went on pretty much perfect. So it is now time to move on to the rest of the car. Let's go ahead and move to the back and start working on the rear diffuser. All right, guys, so the next thing we're gonna take off is this rear diffuser. It actually is 5 pieces. So the center section is 1 piece, this upper trim is another piece, side piece right here, the tow hook cover, and then this side piece right here. So it's really only held on by a couple of clips on the bottom and then the clips all around the edge, so you usually gotta yank the whole thing off. So let's go ahead and get this removed, and then we'll get our new diffuser and our trunk spoiler installed. All right, guys, we got the full stock diffuser off. It is ready to go. I'm just gonna clean this up a little bit, and then we will be putting the new diffuser on, and it should just clip into all these factory clips, and then we will reuse these ones along the bottom edge. The only thing we really need to worry about is getting this little trim piece off of the tow hook cover that goes right here, because this is gloss black and needs to be replaced with a small carbon piece that came with the diffuser. So we're gonna have to get all these little clips off and swap that out, and then we'll be putting everything back in, and this should be the final piece to go in. All right, guys, we got the full diffuser on, and man, that looks so good. These fins are just a little bit bigger, and they look so much more aggressive, but it ended up perfect. It fits awesome. I'm super stoked on how this turned out, but that did take a while of me kind of messing with it, moving it side to side, messing with some of the clips and the fitment of this whole thing. So it has gotten pretty late, So I'm gonna head out, but I will see you guys in the morning. It'll be 12 hours for me and 1 second for you. So let's go ahead and cut to tomorrow, and we will finish putting on the trunk spoiler, the side skirts, and the front canards. All right, guys, we are back. The diffuser is looking good. It is now time to put on the rear trunk spoiler. I'll give you guys a little bit of a preview. This thing fits perfect, and it looks so good. I think it matches the aggressive styling of the diffuser. It's OEM plus. It's not too aggressive. I don't really love the high kick ones. So this one's kind of a lower one, but it is bigger than the stock wing. So we're gonna get some 3M tape on the back side of this thing and stick it on there. All right, guys, we got the trunk spoiler on with the diffuser. I think this combo looks super good. So we're now ready to move on to our next item. Let's go back to the front of the car, and we're gonna put on the front canards, and then the last thing we're gonna do is the side skirt extensions. All right, so over here we have our front canards. These are just a little winglet that goes on the front of the bumper. We have two, and I have the ones on this side mocked up with just a small piece of double-sided tape to try and figure out exactly where I want these, because there's not really any indicators of exactly where these go. It's just kind of based on your preference. So I'm really liking this look right here. So I'm gonna try and match the other side with a full backing of double stick tape, and then I'll pull these ones off, put some more on there, and try and make sure both of them match side to side. Demons in my head again, let me grip my lyric pen. Fire burning from my junk, choking now I'm pulling sons. I won't stop, so don't confront too much. A boss to be a grunt. Watch my back and also front. You drop it off, I pick it up. Pockets a mean one, heavy like machine guns. Talking like they heard about me, they ain't never seen one. You ain't really about it, I can see it through the screen, son. Taking lemon lane, busters never trust they jump. Like you want it, my opponent's never on it. I ain't thinking about tomorrow, only thinking about the moment. Feel the rush from the buck jump. 20s in my loaded trunk. Watch me make another hit, yeah, I'm tripping off that funk jump. Like you want it, my opponent's never on it. I ain't thinking. All right, we got the canards on. They look sick. We'll get a full exterior shot when this thing's pulled out and we got a better view of them. But I think they look really good, and most of all, I think they are symmetrical side to side, which is the real hard part. So now we're gonna move on to installing the side skirts. I need to get the car up in the air. I'm gonna drive the front wheels up onto some wood blocks so I can get the jack underneath the front lip and jack up the front. I'm gonna try and do it without jacking up the rear so I don't have to put blocks on both front and rear, but we'll see how that goes. And we'll get the side skirts screwed in, put some 3M tape on them, put them all up on there, and we should be done with our full exterior carbon kit. Tripping, yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Let me make another hit. Yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Let me make another hit. Yeah, I'm tripping. Demons in my head again, let me grip my lyric pen. Fire burning from my junk, choking now I'm pulling sons. I won't stop, so don't confront too much. A boss to be a grunt. Watch my back and also front. You drop it off, I pick it up. Pockets a mean one, heavy like machine guns. Talking like they heard about me, they ain't never seen one. You ain't really about it, I can see it through the screen, son. Taking lemon lane, busters never trust they jump. Like you want it, my opponent's never on it. I ain't thinking about tomorrow, only thinking about the moment. Feel the rush from the buck jump. 20s in my loaded trunk. Watch me make another hit. Yeah, I'm tripping off that funk jump. Like you want it, my opponent's never on it. I ain't thinking about tomorrow, only thinking about the moment. Feel the rush from the buck jump. 20s in my loaded trunk. Watch me make another hit. Yeah, I'm tripping, tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. Yeah, I'm tripping. All right, we got both side skirts on. They're looking good. They fit really good. I'm actually super happy with those. So let's go ahead and get this thing off the jack. Back on the blocks. And now we can pull it outside And then it does need a little bit of a wash, so I'm gonna clean it up, and then we're gonna take it out on a drive, get some sweet exterior shots of this thing out in the Utah mountains. All right, guys, we got the G80 outside with all of the new carbon fiber parts, and it is looking so good. I'm so excited about how this thing's been turning out. All these mods, I feel like, finally complete this thing front to back. We had this super aggressive front, but now that we have these mods on the rear, it matches that aggressive look, and I'm super stoked with how this thing is turning out. Let's go ahead and take this thing out for a drive and get some shots of this thing outside in the Utah mountains. All right, guys, we are back. It has been about a week since I saw you last. We were about to take the G80 up one of the Utah canyons, and we had something crazy happen. So we actually had a bunch of wildfires start that day. We were about to head up the canyon and fill the entire valley with smoke, and all the canyons were absolutely crazy with fire trucks and so many people going up the mountains in order to fight these wildfires. So I decided not to go up, and it has now been about a week, but we are back. We have the M4 and the M5 in the shop and the G80 outside, and I just detailed it again so we can go ahead and go out and get some shots of the G80. Before we do that though, I do have an announcement to make, and that is that we are going to be selling one of these two cars because I did just purchase a new car and it is in transit on its way to Utah. So unfortunately, we are going to be selling the F82 M4. I'm sure you guys have noticed I haven't really posted anything of this car in a little while, and mostly because I'm not really sure what to do with it. I really enjoy the car how it is, but I do think I'm ready to sell it. I've had it just over 2 years now, and it is fully modified front to rear, and I'm just getting ready to sell it to move on to the next project. I'm super excited about the next project. So the next video that you guys see on the channel will be me revealing my new car. It is a BMW, so I will tell you guys that. And this is a BMW I've owned before, but I never made any YouTube videos about it. So I'm super excited to have a full build series on this car. We're gonna be going front to back, just like we did on the M4, but that is coming in about a week's time. So in order to get ready for that car, we are going to be unmodding the M4 and selling it. I know that's super sad, and some of you guys really love this car, as do I, but we are gonna be moving on to, in my opinion, bigger and better things. So let's go ahead and hop in the G80, head up one of the local Utah canyons now that the skies have cleared, and we will get some shots of this thing from the inside. Once we get up there, we'll get some awesome shots of all the new carbon fiber parts from the outside in one of the Utah canyons. All right, guys, we just got back from the canyon with the G80. Everything is looking so good with all the new carbon fiber parts all over the car. I'm so stoked on how this thing is turning out. But just like I said earlier, we are getting a new car in the next video, so make sure you guys keep an eye out for that one. But just like that, this video is over. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked it, make sure you hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.